Hello, everyone. This is Danny Chang from Robert Frost Middle School in Rockville, Maryland. I've had a lot of people ask me how I created a QR code to link to my videos that I have on YouTube, and it's actually a really simple thing to do. The first thing that you need to do before creating a QR code, also known as a tag, is to know what site you want your QR code or tag to link to. You also need to have a working email address, and I just use the one that I have from work since all of my QR codes are work related. We're going to be looking at the free website, Microsoft Tag, in order to create our QR codes. So let's just go ahead and get onto the internet, and you can use any web browser that you would like. I'm just going to use Internet Explorer since that's the one that our work has. And I'm just going to go ahead and type in the address, tag.microsoft.com. And that's going to bring us to this home page right here. Now, once you get into this page, you will need to log in with a Microsoft account. Now, if you don't have one, you can go ahead and create one, and that's going to be at the same place where you log in. Now, right here at the top right-hand corner where it says Sign In, I'm just going to click on that. And this is where we could go ahead and log in if we already have a Microsoft account, such as Hotmail or Outlook. And if you don't, you can go ahead and sign up for one. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on here where it says Sign Up Now to show you how to sign up for a Microsoft account. Now, you could use a current email address that you might already have, and if you don't have one, you could go ahead and create a Hotmail email address. Since I already have one, I'm just going to click Continue. And this is where I could type in my email address. Now, your password could be the same password, or you could use a different password. That's really up to you, and you're just going to retype your password over here. Once you're done with that, you need to go ahead and create a security question. Now, a security question is there just in case you forgot your password, and you will need to go ahead and give them an answer as well once you choose your secret question. Once you're done with that, you need to verify your account by typing in the characters that you see here, and yours will be a little bit different than mine. And when you're done, you just click on Continue, and you just created your Microsoft account. Now, I'm just going to click on Cancel since I already have one, and I'm just going to go ahead and log in. And that's going to take me to my home page. Now, if this is the first time that you've ever opened up this page, you might be brought to an introduction page where they will go ahead and give you some videos to help you get started. Now, for those who want to just get straight into it, you could go ahead and just listen to what I have to say. Now, once we do this, your page will look a little bit different. What I've done is I've created another category called Algebra Prep Unit 1 CD. Now, your page might look like this, where it's empty. This is the main page, and everything's just empty. Now, if you know that you're going to be creating several tags, you may want to go ahead and put them into different categories like I did here. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a new category, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So I'm going to click on a category, and I'm going to go over here where in gray it says create a category. Now notice that it doesn't have that pointing hand that highlights it. So you're just going to go ahead and click on that, and that's going to bring you over here. Now I'm going to create a new category, which is like a folder. So I'm just going to go ahead and call this one Algebra Prep Unit 2. And I'm going to keep my start date today, and I'm going to keep this category forever and ever. So I'm just going to go ahead and save and create this. I could either save and create a tag, or I could just save it, and I'm just going to save it to show you where my category is. So now I have my category. Now, if you ever want to create a tag, you just go ahead and click on Tags. And again, a tag is the same thing as a QR code. And then I'm going to choose the category that I want to create the tag in. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new one in my Unit 2 folder. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to Algebra Prep Unit 2, and I can see that I have no tags within this category. So now I'm going to go ahead and create a tag by putting my mouse over this little bar where it says Create a Tag in blue. I'll click on that, and that's going to bring me over here. Now I do need a title for that tag, so I'm going to call this Math C Day 1. So this is my first lesson, and it's on measures of central tendencies. Now that I have this, I am going to link it to a website, so that's going to be a URL. I could put in some notes if I like. I'm not going to put in any notes. And you could go ahead and put on a thumbnail if you like as well. The start date will be today, and I'm going to keep that up here so that I can use it for my classes in my future years. Now, you could go ahead and I just leave this clicked where it opens my site on an app instead of a device browser. But if not, otherwise it will just default to that browser. Now, your mobile URL, that's just the website, and I'm just going to go ahead and paste my website in here since I've already copied that, and I'm just going to go ahead and click Save. And what you have right here is my first tag on Math-C Day 1 Measures of Central Tendencies. Now, notice that I did forget my 1, so if I ever want to edit it, I'm just going to go ahead and click right here on this. I'm going to check that off. I'm going to click on Edit, which is this little pencil thing. And that's just going to bring me right back. And I'm just going to go ahead and add that 1 in there since it's Day 1. And then I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down. Excuse me. I'm going to scroll down and I'm just going to click on Save. And again, that'll bring me right back here, and I could go ahead and see that I do have that 1 in there. Now, I'm just going to click on Download to go ahead and see my QR code. So my QR code is already here. I'm just going to go ahead and save this or download this. You're going to see this, and you can just check on Do Not Display this message again. That's what I usually do when I first have that. And you could choose what kind of tag or code that you want to use. Now, again, I'm going to be creating a QR code so that most mobile phones and iPods or iPads can use it. I'm just going to click on QR code, and then I'm just going to go ahead and download it. So I'll go ahead and open it up and show you what it looks like. And it's going to open it up as a PDF file. My apologies, this is a very slow computer that we have here. There it goes. And this is your QR code. So if anybody scans this, that'll bring you directly to my link, and I'll show you where that is. But if you go ahead and take your phone and you just scan this code right here, and you can scan it straight from your screen right now if you'd like, that'll take you to my link where it says Measures of Central Tendencies. Now, what you can do is you can go ahead and save this code right here into your own files. You could go ahead and crop it so that it just has this code right here, and you could go ahead and post it on anything you want. You could put it on a sheet of paper, you could put it on a poster, wherever you want. And if anybody has a phone, an iPod, an iPad, smartphone, anything like that, they just need to scan it with their camera, and that'll take them directly to that site. I hope this helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye-bye.